It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Chinese licorice plums. We found these at the Asian Market. Let's see how they taste.
Why? Why?
How do they smell?
You want to smell them? They smell pretty good.
They smell like prunes. Dried prunes?
Dried prunes. Dried prunes. Oh, I don't like that smell.
You don't?
I don't either. I like that. It
Smells good to me. Here, give it a try.
Ah!
What?
Rock hard.
No.
Oh. Okay, the inside's rock hard.
Oh, was that Emmett's that went to the ground? What happened to yours? There's a new one.
There's a pit.
Oh,
there's a pit. They have pit.
What's the flavor like?
A plum.
Like those.
You don't even want to taste?
I can't even talk.
More.
Do you want a little taste?
That's the texture of licorice.
Crackers. More crackers.
You need some crackers?
Has,
More crackers.
I haven't tried it.
More
has the
crackers,
texture of
Mom.
licorice.
More crackers, Mom.
Just wait.
More crackers.
Just wait. First let brothers tell. And then we'll get you some, okay?
It has the texture of licorice. Tastes like a plum. Sweet. I don't even taste any salt. These are so good.
I don't like them.
And my dad said that we'd cry when we ate them.
The ingredients are plum, licorice, sugar, and salt. What do you think, Colin? How do they
Can I
taste?
try one?
Bad. I don't like them.
Is there a pit in it?
Yeah.
Hey,
I'll
Shimmy?
take more.
Mostly.
I don't like.
How is it?
Pity. That's not bad. You should try it.
The texture.
The texture's pretty gross.
Do you like it? I mean, don't kick mine.
The flavor's good. It's sweet, like eating fruit snacks or something. But the stuff on the outside,
I need a cracker, Mom.
it's got stuff on the outside, so the texture's kind of weird.
Let's be too bad.
I'll take all of them.